Hey guys, welcome to episode 4 of Trading to a Million. This is JPS Trading, 26th of August. This is a Wednesday, just before 8 a.m. I'm just checking the economic calendar. I don't see anything too high risk for the time frame that I'm trading at the moment. But as I said in the previous videos, it's always good to do that in the morning just to see if there's anything that may capture or catch you off guard, sorry. This Wednesday was a little bit difficult. I was very unsure as to what the market was going to do. My strategy and analysis combined with that was indicating that it's probably going to sell off. But from the US futures overnight, they actually rallied on a daily, if you weren't aware, and that can sometimes obviously add some momentum. So even though everywhere was saying that the market's going to sell off, obviously the AFR is, I don't just read the heading and say, okay, well, that's what I'm going to do. But there was a lot of news articles indicating that the market's going to sell off today, but the futures price action was indicating otherwise. So I was a little bit worried as to what needs to be done. So I decided to get a very small amount of exposure coming into 8 o'clock because this was something that I hadn't really experienced before, all the factors put together. So this will always come up, obviously, with your trading journey. Obviously, as we'll see, I'm sure there'll be plenty more of this. So it's always good to get a little bit of exposure into this rather than just to watch it play out and then look back on it and say, okay, well, that's what I would have done. Because, yeah, basically, if you can get a little bit of exposure, something that you're happy, if it goes wrong, you're happy to lose. I'm not risking much money here as well, but I feel like this will teach you a lot more in the long run when you're faced with a problem and you do decide to either go with your gut or come to a calculation that you think is the best opportunity or the best way to go about it. So here it looked like I've made the right decision, sorry, on a very small parcel size. So confidence actually got the better of me. I'm still okay with how I played it because I took about 1/3 of my parcel size and decided to go long. So obviously we're getting towards 9:50 when the domestic futures open. So this looks like that the market was going to, in fact, continue the trend. So I was pretty happy, obviously, with that. So you'll see me open up a small parcel here as well. But what we will see, obviously, in the open is, look, sometimes, obviously, if you've got a strategy, even if some of the factors are a little bit different, it's always good to sometimes stick to the strategy. But look, I was going into this position pretty happy to obviously risk what I was. And we'll see these futures open up in about 20 seconds, actually, by the looks of it. But yeah, love to hear your thoughts and comments in the comment section. Let me know what you're thinking of these videos. I'm pretty excited to have you guys along and continue, obviously, into the future. So we'll see how this all pans out. But we're getting towards 9:50 now, and we're going to see how this trades. So big down candle, unfortunately. So that indicated me pretty much straight away that this is not. I didn't want to be in this trade. I was, in fact, probably wrong. So I just sped this up a little bit afterwards and just let it play out. Yeah, there was a few buyers moving in, but overall, the selling pressure was pretty aggressive. So yeah, so a small loss today. I believe it was about $70 or so. So there's nothing wrong with that. But look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. That'll be out tomorrow. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section. Cheers.